Hey, check. Alright, kids, raise your hands, ha? Raise your hands, baby. What kind of animals is this? Okay, quiet. Come here, baby girl. Aray, naka-black yan. Dali ka, baby. Yeah. Okay, what is your name?
Julian Reyes Biaranda.
One more.
Julian Reyes Biaranda.
Julian, right? Julian Reyes. Biaranda. Complete, baby, ha? First name and last name, ha? Okay, how old are you?
6.
6. Okay, what do you want to be when you grow up?
Army.
Army! Clap your hands, kids. Yeah. Why?
Because I like Army.
Because you're like Army? Yeah. Okay, speaking yung Army nyo, di ba? Okay, get ready, baby, ha? What kind of animals is this?
Snail.
Very good. This is for you. Okay, what do you say?
Thank you.
And?
Merry Christmas.
I'm sorry, baby. Okay, music. Hello, baby boy. Alright, just another one. Okay, magiging tabi, ha? And this one, what is this? Snake. One more, this, ha?
Third.
Very good, this is for you. Okay, what do you say? Say?
Third.
Alright. Very good. Please sit down, Asher. Yeah. Very good, Asher. Music, please. Ah, just another one. Your birthday boy. See? Si Sak. Come here, Sak. Come here. Come here, Sak. Yeah. Hadlock si Sak. Yeah. What is this, baby?
Dog.
Dog, this for you. Yeah. Say? And music, kuya. Okay, and this one, kids. Yeah. What is this? Not snake, huh? Okay, snake. Not snake, baby. Okay, these are, raise your hands. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Girls, girls, come here, baby girl. Come here. Yeah. Come here. Yeah. Come here. Don't be shy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Okay, what? Ikaw, anong ngalan mo?
Turtle.
Turtle. Yeah. Pila na si Turtle?
7.
7. 7? Hindi, malaking bola siya, no? 7. Yeah. Okay, 7. Anong grade?
2.
2. 7. Siguro mga 10, magkasinlaki na tayo sigurado. Oh, may 7, oh. Grade 2. Anong name ng teacher?
Grace Ann.
Ma'am Grace Ann. Okay, next year, anong grade mo na?
Inang 2.
Okay, what is this, baby girl?
Snake.
No, not snake. Mukha lang siya snake. This,
Swan.
Swan. Very good. This for you. Okay, what do you say? Say.
Thank you.
And?
Happy New Year. And this one, kids. Yeah. Now, meron siya long-legged and long neck. What is this? Yeah, what is this? Sino? Come here. Come here, bebe. Yeah. Bebe, anong name mo?
Biaranda.
Biaranda. How old are you, baby?
3.
3. Ano naman si baby girl? 3, ha? Okay, what is this?
Yeah.
Giraffe. This for you. Okay, what do you say? Be. What?
Thank you.
And?
Happy birthday.
Very good, baby. Music, please. And the last one, kids.
What is this? Yeah. What is this? Sino sa girls? Girls! Girls, sino pa? Kami yung bebe. Iwan mo muna yung anak mo dyan, be. Yeah. May partner ka pa, ha? Okay ka, baby. Anong name?
Princess Kisha Bianes.
Princess Kisha Biagnes. Yeah. Anong grade na ni Princess?
Grade 2.
Grade 2. Favorite subject sa school?
Resist.
Art. What is art?
Painting.
Painting. Very good. Yeah, very good. Huh? What is this? Flower. This for you. Okay, what do you say? Say.
Thank you.
And
Happy birthday!
happy birthday! Yung tingin mo ito, sabi niya, wow! Hanggang music, kuya. Alright, kids, get ready! Yeah, please stand up. Please stand up, bebe. Tindog ka mo, be. Tindog ka mo, tana. Come here. And dito tayo sa front, ha? Go to the front, kids. Come here. Dito kami sa front. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ma, medyo puso ko lang yung house and lot, ha? Yan. Come here, baby boy. Come here, Asher. Yeah. Asher and Sak. Yan. Hindi natin butang tumbok. Okay, kids. Medyo move ko mo dito ng konti. Yeah. Okay, my next game. My first game is Double this thinking or group yourself. Yeah. Okay, for example, kids. Pag stop the music, pag hambal kong double this thinking, group yourself into 2. Mag-group ka mo ng pila. 2. Yeah. Pag sinabi kong double this thinking, group yourself into 3. 3. Group by group, ha? And then, syempre, before tayo mag-group, kids, kahit sino. Ayan. Okay, wait lang, baby. Wala pa, ha? Further on, start ng group. Raise your hands, kids.
Yeah, hands up, baby, hands up. Okay, ready?
Okay, get ready.
Everybody go! Come on, go! Go!
Go! Yeah. Exercise yan, exercise. Yeah, very good.
It's the kind of beat that go.
Alright, kids, the mode is thinking. Group yourself into 2. 2. 2. 2. Pag-group sa mo ng 2. Yan, 2 kabilag ba, ha? Dali, si kuya. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, magka-count tayo ba, ha? Kung sino walang partner, out. Okay. Then, ha? Ayaw niya. Sino? Okay, ano lang natin si Asher, ha? 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Sino pa? 14, 16. Si Asher, magda-dance lang yan. 16, ha? Okay, 16 na ba, be? Music, please. Hindi kasali si Asher, magda-dance lang siya. Go! Here we go, dance! Go! Get ready, the mode is singing. Group yourself into 5. 5. 5. 5.
Five. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay, please sit down, be. Pungko. Pungko, you're out. Dito lang muna, be. Okay, get ready. Here we go. Jump. Go. Group yourself into 7. 7. Count mo ng 7. Sa bawat group, may harap ka 7 members. Ayan. 7. Count mo ng 7. Kailan ka mo, be? Ayan. Bawal na magdagdag, be, ha? Sino? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan. Pwede ka magkuha rito. Pwede ka magkuha rito. Pwede maglipat. Yan. 7. 2. 4. O, sobra ka mo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. O, pungko. Okay, get ready. Music, kuya. The word is singing. Group yourself into 6. 6. Count ka mo ng 6, baby. 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Okay, wait. Yeah, wait lang kuya. Okay, ready? Music, kuya. Here we go! Come on!
Is it time to beat the goal?
Okay, the one is singing group yourself into 5! 5! Sorry, pungko, be. Pungko, kuya. Pungko. Yeah. Okay, get ready. Music, please. Dance, kids. The one is singing group yourself into 3. 3. Four ka mo dyan, ha? 4, ha? Si Asher. Okay. Asher, yan. Okay, ha? Magdadance pala si Asher, ha? Okay, saka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 na lang ka mo, be, ha? 9, ha? Hindi na kasali si Asher, ha? Okay, ready? Dance! And I'm ready. Okay, double the singing group yourself into 4. 4. I'm sorry, baby. You're out. Sit down. Next game, baby, pungko. Next game lang, ha? May harap pa next game, ha? Okay, here we go. Dance! Double the singing group yourself into 3. 3. Thank you, kuya. Kuya, you're out. Pungko. 6, ha? 6 na lang kamo, be, ha? Alright, kids, listen, ha? Last dance tayo, baby. Last dance, ha? Yan. Sa first game ko, 2 winners lang tayo, ha? 2 winners, ha? Last dance tayo, baby, ha? Okay, anong name mo?
Ashley.
Ilan taon?
2.
Yan. Anong name?
Jinjin.
Ilan taon?
2.
2. Ikaw, be? Anong name?
Thursday.
Ilan taon?
2.
About you, baby, what is your name?
Julian. Hindi lang may Garanda.
Okay, ikaw winners.
2.
2. Okay, about you?
Princess Isa.
Ikaw winners.
2.
And?
Flower Beyond.
Ilan winners?
2.
2. Kids, listen, ha? 2 winners lang tayo, baby. 2 winners. Last dance tayo, ha? Last dance, ha? Okay, get ready! Dito ka mo, be. Yan, matunga ka mo, be. Yan. Yan, matunga ka mo, be. Okay, get ready! 2 winners tayo. Last dance music, kuya. Here we go! Listen, ha? Listen!
Apoy na, be.
Okay, get ready! Follow the singing. Group yourself into 4, 4, 4, 4. Ben, dito ka mga under, ha? Dito lang muna ka mo. Hop, 4. Baby, last dance tayo. Yan. Pila winners? Pila winners? Pila ka mo na group? Pila sila? Sino winner? No! Yan. Pila winners? 2. Pila ka mo ng group? 4. Pila ang winners? 2. Pila sila? Sino winner? Sila. Bye-bye! Okay, pong-pong! Yeah. I'm sorry, baby. Okay, Camille. Dito ka mo, be. Next game, ha? Boys! Pasit daw natin yung girls, oh. Kaya pa boys nakabungko, ha? Easy-easy pa, ha? Girls, siyempre, ladies first yan. Yeah. Okay, baby. Magising lang naman ng happy birthday, ha? Para kay Zach and Asher, ha? Okay, get ready. 1, 2, 3, and sing.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, one more kaila. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, and go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, kids, clap your hands. Yeah, for the 2 girls. Okay, kuya.
Wala na lang po si Jerwin. Ano po nito?
Kupuli ah. Magara. Pasod. Hi kids.
Yan. Okay kami, ya. Sino pa? Sino pa? Sa kids? Kids! Come here, kids! Come here! Come here, kuya. Music lang muna tayo, kuya. Yeah, music. Okay na? Okay, get ready! Okay, stop the music. Be, dito, be. Gakakang ka pa, be. Pugo ka muna kung gagawin ka, be, ha? Okay, dito lang, be. Sino pa? Pungko. Yan. Okay, move, move. Move dito. Yan, move. Yan. Okay, move. Alright, kids. My next game is Sounds Like Animals. Yan. Ang team natin is Safari Team. Okay, for example. Yan. Anong sounds ng dog?
Oh, oh.
Cat.
Meow.
Dog. Cat. What is the sounds of cat?
Meow.
What is the sounds of dog? Up, up. Cat.
Meow. Meow, meow.
Dog. Cat.
Meow, meow.
Yeah, very good. Okay, kids. Listen, ha? Hindi lang dog. hindi lang cat. Ha? Okay, get ready. And then, kung kanino kita pa yung mic, siya lang pwede mag-answer. If pat count to ng 1 to 3, hindi ka mo naka-answer, you're out. Ha? Okay, baby, compress ka mo dito. Okay, dito. Okay, get ready! What is the sounds of chicken? Quiet.
Meow.
One more. Chicken. Ready?
1, 2,
And 3, pungkong. Okay, chicken.
Tao.
Yeah, bird. Quiet. Goat. Very good. Cow. Duck. Pig. Go, baby. Dog. Pumaring yan eh. Kaya, okay, one more. Faster, baby, ha? Okay, game. Okay, anong sounds ng duck? Frog. Frog. Okay, sorry. Compress, baby. Compress. Ready? Sounds ng dog. Sounds ng cat. Cat. Sounds ng horse. May. Dapat May, you know? May. June. July. Okay, one more. Okay, get ready. Sounds ng monkey. One more.
monkey. Repeat mo lang kaya. 1, 2.
Shy type si baby. Kailangan, ha? Okay, ready? One more. Sounds ng dog. Sounds ng cat. Sounds ng tiger. Sounds ng lion. Sounds ng bird. Sounds ng goat. Sounds ng horse. Sounds ng tuko.
Quiet. 1, 2. And
3. I'm sorry, baby. Okay, come here. Okay. Sounds ng pig. Ang puto, no? Right. Dili ka lang, be. Yeah. Okay, sounds ng chicken. Sounds ng toko. Big lizard.
one more.
Ang hero pag-English speaking eh. Tuka! Okay, one more kiss. Sounds ng monkey. Sounds ng carabao. Sounds ng chicken. Ay, para ko na natin breaking. Very good, baby. Okay, tagang ko naman ng prize. Magigib ako ng prize, ha? For you, ha? Okay. Very good yung 3 kids natin, ha? No favorite mo, baby boy? Yeah, this for you. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. And I will give baby girl. Ano yata ito sa'yo, baby girl, pang boys? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay, Kuya, music please. Next game, come here kids. Tindog ka mo ba? Come here. Go to the front, come here.